How to restore deleted Google contacts easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, did you accidentally delete a Google contact and want to restore it? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, go to your Google Chrome and on the search bar, search for contacts.google.com. It's up there, and then you will land on this page and you will see three horizontal lines on the top left. Tap on it, and then you'll see the trash option. Tap on it, and here you'll see the list of your deleted contacts. So it will stay here for 30 days. So come here before 30 days and long press on the contact that you want to restore and tick on it, and you'll see the recover option right there. Now just tap on recover and it will be recovered. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.